What's up? 6 to 10 a.m. What's up, YouTube? Mine is Big Dre, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no Dre, no Lil Dre or none of that. This Big Drizzy in the motherfucking house. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing face to all my music and everything I'm doing. I'm trying to put out shit. I'm trying to let shit live. I'm trying to do modeling, I'm trying to do acting, I'm trying to do everything. You know what I'm saying? I can rap my ass off. Two-tone in the bands. What you mean? We ain't friends. Leave him in the bands though. Fucking me. Me and this girl, we was friends though. It's like, no. Chilling with my kinfolk. Sorry, no, but I'm out DC right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm out the city, just came from U Street. Damn. Watch it, real nigga. Scooby! Scooby! Like that. Let's see, she ain't gonna pay me no mind. Scooby! I had him. Yeah, but I'm out here, you know what I'm saying? Putting a face to the music and everything I do. I be cool until you fuck with me. Like everybody, but on some real shit, I be cool enough. You know what I'm saying? Get with me. I'm from Maryland. I ain't from DC too. I'm from Maryland. That shit straight, you know.